Holy shit, guys, look. A flash flood warning is in effect for my area in New Jersey. If you guys live in New Jersey, please be safe. Well, guys, only, only 88 of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, and they think they can always unsubscribe. Well, please don't unsubscribe. So, back to your video. I better look at this. No. There's more tomorrow? Holy shit. Do you guys feel like I'm safe? I'm gonna have to censor all of this. Have to censor all of this in the search box. Oh, now it's calmed down. But there's gonna be more. What the fuck? I don't feel safe right there. Tomorrow there's more. But